Only all here. Oh yeah. Only all here. Oh yeah. Oh no. It's only all here. Oh yeah. What's going on, everybody? It is Taylor Mounty here, and today we're going to travel through the stars with a Lego Star Wars build. We are going to shoot the DC17M Interchangeable Blaster Rifle from 2005's Star Wars Republic Commando. So the DC17M is an interchangeable blaster that comes with two different attachments. There comes the blaster attachment, which is this piece right here, and it attaches, and there's a reason why it's called the interchangeable blaster, because it comes with three individual parts. Now the blaster attachment includes this attachment and this bigger clip system, which holds up to 60 rounds. Then there's the sniper attachment, which has a shorter clip and only holds up to about 5 rounds each. Then there's the anti-armor attachment, and it is basically like a grenade launcher attachment and can only fire one explosive projectile at a time. So for the DC17M here, I wanted to make it as fully detailed as I could. So you got working trigger, and you got the third feature, which is the reloading clip, or as I call it, it's pretty much, to me, it's a magazine. And also, last but not least, the third feature, which is the detachable blaster barrel extension. So, without further ado, let's take this thing to the range. For some reason, it's not wanting to go in. There. Raw ammo. Well, so there you have it, folks. Now, I'm sorry if I couldn't make the sniper attachment as well as the anti-armor attachment in time, because I have plans for a specific bigger project in mind. So, coming soon to YouTube is the video of my Lego SKS carbine with the working stripper clip loading system. So for those who watches this, please put your likes on the like button below, and then be sure to subscribe to the channel. So this is Taylor Mounty here, and so have fun, enjoy the weather, go to the lake and have some fun, go swimming, or do whatever it is you like to do during the summertime and have some fun. So this is Taylor Mounty here. As always, thanks for watching, and may the force be with you. Over and out.